Greetings from Ekudden, a spontaneous nudist beach in the nature reserve of Flaten, on the same named lake Flaten. I am once again exploring this magical spot on this 10th of September 2024, beach day number 144 on my Sweden beach adventures. And it seems that the best of summer is behind us, as the weather has started to turn for the worse. It was raining basically all night while I was sleeping, but now suddenly, after being cloudy almost whole day, we have a bit of sunshine, but it is a bit scattered, and there will be more sunshine later today. So I'm exploring this spontaneous unofficial nudist beach once again here in the nature reserve that's located across the 3 public beaches on the other side that are also completely empty on this Tuesday, as I can see from the distance, and I will probably visit them later this week also, as there are nice facilities to jump into the lake as well, because it is quite warm in the lake still, 21 degrees Celsius. Quite warmer than in the air. Currently it is 18 degrees Celsius in the air, so still quite good. September delivers still great weather. It was like 27 last week anyways, but this also works miracles. But for most of the people, the bathing season is over, it seems, both in the public and on the nudist beaches as well. So this is here perfect spot for spontaneous nudist. It's in the middle of the forest. It's you need to pass by from the main road in the forest, and it looks like this. And I have shown you this several times before on my channel, as today it was not the best weather, as mentioned. It was unclear if it's gonna be sunny or cloudy, so I just thought to come here once again and have a swim here at Lake Flaten. With my gravel bike to get here, it took me 8.5 kilometers. 21 minutes was the ride today, so very close to my home. And let's get going then and enjoy this lovely Tuesday with a swim here in Ekudden in Flaten Nature Reserve, Stockholm, Sweden, of course, where I am living actually. Alright. So yes, the days go by, and before you even know, the lakes will be frozen. So actually that's gonna happen in 2 months if something drastic don't occur before that, to be fair. Here we have some plants at the entrance that I need to pass by, but I know that from this side it is quite less, so I will then use the entry from here. Very nice spot for a beach adventure today on this 10th of September. Alright, let's get going and enjoy this day with a swim here. Show. Let's go. Let me just pass the plants. Now we go. Very nice. Yes, beautiful swim here in Lake Flaten, and yet another check for another day on my beach adventures in Sweden this year. So yeah, yesterday I realized that also the lakes are going to be frozen very soon, as I mentioned earlier. So it's basically good to enjoy some longer swims now while I can, because when the water drops to 0 degrees, it is only a quick dip I'm doing for sure. And yes, cool, then let me just wrap around now while the sun's a bit in from Ekudden nudist beach in Flaten Nature Reserve. Thank you so much then for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again. Another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.